Welcome to our YouTube series of Xero training. It's perfect if you're starting to use Xero for your small business. We've got a few short videos taking you through the basics of Xero. You can watch them in order at your own pace or dip in and out to brush up on your own skills. So next in the series is bills, purchase invoices, expenses, whatever you want to call them. They work exactly the same way as sales invoices, but the opposite. So let's take you through a quick example. To see your bills on Xero, if you click the business tab and then down to bills to pay, you'll see any bills that are there. So you see there's quite a few. So to add a new bill, simply click the new bill button. And it's as simple as adding in the information. So if we have, let's say, a bill from the post office for some post, it's, yep, the bill, and you'll just take this information from the bill that you've got in front of you. And if it's for postage and it costs 65p, no VAT, there we go. And then we click approve. And that's how you can add a bill. Now, once you've got that bill, you can either print it as a PDF if you want to, or there's some options where you can void, repeat, copy, or edit. However, a quick tip on bills, guys. Don't bother doing what I've just done. Don't bother wasting your time entering bills manually like I've just shown you. Instead, check out software like Receipt Bank. All of our clients get Receipt Bank for free. Receipt Bank is an app on your phone which links to Xero. You simply take a picture of your receipt on an invoice, and Receipt Bank will automatically pick up the date, amount, VAT, supplier, all the information needed and push this into Xero as a bill for you automatically. Not only that, but it will also capture an image of the receipt so you can bin it. No more boxes of receipts that you've got to keep for 7 years. You can literally save hours and hours each month using Receipt Bank, and it's well worth it. So finally, before we go, a quick word on cash receipts. So we know Xero will pick up amounts paid through the bank, but this may not be possible in all circumstances, and some things may need to be paid by cash. It's fairly simple to do. This one, for example, now I've paid 65p for a stamp at the post office. It's not going to appear on the bank account because I paid for it cash out of my pocket. As the owner of the business, effectively, the business owes me 65p. So obviously, to get this bill off of Xero so it's not showing up as being outstanding anymore, you can use this function down here to add a payment. So we're going to say that it was paid on the same day, and it was paid from, we're going to say owner A funds introduced, because basically I've introduced 65p into the business because the money came out of my own pocket. And then I'm just going to click add payment, and that's it. The bill will be paid and it won't be appearing anymore as outstanding. Now we have a couple of other videos that I've posted links for in the comments. One is about Receipt Bank and how to use that, and the other is what to do to reconcile your bills on Xero and how to deal with cash expenses like I've just shown you in a bit more detail. So that's it for bills. Check out our next video in the Xero training series, which is chart of accounts. If you've enjoyed this video and you found it useful, do us a massive favor and hit the like button, or subscribe to our channel to see future videos.